Hello students, how are you? Hope all of you are fine. Students, in previous video we have started our chapter number 1 from the Stone Age to Copper Stone Age from our Madhya Pradesh, a historical perspective from our supplementary reader. Students, today we will do the question answer of that lesson. Now question number 1 is, what is Stone Age? Answer is, prehistoric age is mainly known as the Stone Age. It is the period when civilizations began and prehistoric man started using weapons and implements made of stone. Question number 2. How is the Stone Age classified? Answer. Stone Age is classified into 3 categories according to the chronological culture. First one is pre-Stone Age, B is mid-Stone Age and C is Neo-Stone Age. The third question is, what kind of life did the man of Stone Age live? Answer. The man of Stone Age started protecting himself from wild animals with the help of weapons made from stone. At that time, he roamed in the forest, on the mountains, and in the river valleys, and lived on fruits, roots, or hunted animals. Caves in the mountains were his resting places. Question number 4. Why is Madhya Pradesh called as habitation of prehistoric man? Answer. Madhya Pradesh is called as habitation of prehistoric man because signs of prehistoric culture have been found in several excavations here. Several fossils of rhino, pigs, deer, etc. found here show the presence of these animals. Several remains of the Stone Age have been found in the Narmada Valley from Amarkantak to Hoshangabad. In Bhutra near Narsinghpur, a stone axe and fossils of elephants, rhinos, deers, buffaloes, etc. have been found. The axe found there is regarded to be almost 4 lakh years old. In 1982, a fossil of the prehistoric man was found in village Hathnora in Budni Tehsil of Sihor district. It is 6 lakh years old and is oldest remain of a prehistoric man. These discoveries depict the prehistoric glimpses of the region. Question number 5. Where do we find wall painting in Madhya Pradesh? Answer. Wall paintings found in the caves of Madhya Pradesh are of global importance. Such wall paintings are specially found in Pachmari, Hoshangabad, Sagar, Chhindwara, Chhatarpur, Panna, Gwalior, Sihor, Raisen, Vidisha, Guna, Rewa, Mandsaur and Shivpuri districts. The groups of painted caves found at Bhimbetka and Jawara are the largest amongst them. Question number 6. How did man begin progressing in the Neo-Stone Age? Answer. Neo-Stone Age was the period when man started giving up the nomadic lifestyle and began settling at one place. He started progressing in the following manners. When man started living at one place, he started various new activities. The implements built by man during this period were bright and polished. Man started gaining knowledge about agriculture, cattle rearing and earthen pot making during this age. He also learned weaving clothes, building houses using arms and the use of fire. In this way, seeds of modern civilization were sown during this age. Now question number 7. Where have we found the remains of the Copper Stone Age culture in Madhya Pradesh? What type of human life do they indicate to? In Madhya Pradesh, the remains of the Copper Stone Age culture have been found in the river valleys of Narmada, Chambal and Betwa. They are the remains of the contemporary civilization which flourished in Mohenjo-daro and Harappa. Kathia and Dangwada, Ujjain district, Avara and Ahar in Mandsaur district, Piplaya, Lorca in Raisen district, Eran, Sagar district, Maheshwar and Navadholi, Western Nimad, and Vesnagar, Vidisha, etc. are the major places where these remains have been found. Therefore, Malwa region is rich in contest to the cultural heritage of Copper Stone Age. So students, you have to write all these answers in your notebook and learn it.